sabi naman, God will always work things together for good. So our relationship didn't end up very well, but I know that it's only because of the Lord. And He's the one that we need to glorify. Si Lord lang talaga. I mean, talagang sabi ni Pastor Buddy, we have to let go of our past. Not just a day, but every single day. You have to choose to be with the Lord. Because God is faithful. He is always faithful. Kung alam lang ng bawat isa kung gano'n talaga mahal ni Lord. Alam na alam. Alam niyo ba, dati kasi di ba sabi ko, I was wicked. Nag-iinom ako, nagda-drugs, nagpa-party, and I'm living in a worldly way. Akala ko that is life. I thought it's life. But then, God humbled me and bring me where I am. And sabi niya, Charles, this is not your way. This is your will. This is your key. You have to align yourself with me. Kasi I thought, I love you. And then I heard, narinig ko talaga si Lord eh, He whispered in my ear. Kasi tumatalo ka sa building. But always, God is faithful. And that's all. Thank you everyone. And thank you, Jesus. Love you.